Hello and welcome back guys. So in this particular problem we need to calculate the power of 2 for a given number. To do that we can simply do return, and in C it would have been very much difficult because we would have to use POW and then thing, right. But in this case we can simply do oopsie, I made a mistake, right. It should be this operator, right, the double star, right. We don't need any library, math library, whatever, right, like we used to like we require in C or any other languages. It's easier this way, right. So that's how we solve it. Let's see how other people have done it. I'm pretty sure it should be something similar. Yeah, some have used power, right, that's not required, no need of library or anything. So that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.